Alright folks, here we got an ASV Track Truck. It's a model 2800. I'm just going to do a quick walk around it to show you the quality and appearance. It has got a cab protection, removable cab protection. You just pull these pins and then it flips down, and then you can take out the two bolts that hold it in, and then that removes. It's a super clean unit. Paint's in nice shape. It has new tires and along with new tracks recently installed. Really good undercarriage. Comes with the groomer on the back. The trail groomer is removable. There's all your hydraulic outlets right there. It's got a custom built engine compartment cover, diamond plate. Next video I'll show you that. You just pull these two pins and you lift the plate off. New battery recently installed with a power shut off on it. You just put your hand back here and that's how you turn on and off the power. There's your plug-in engine block heater. Plug it in the winter. Lights, strobe lights. Go ahead and show you the groomer. It's also got a rear pintle hitch, and it's got rear lights in the back as well. You can see that. Pintle hitch back there. Here's these tracks and undercarriage. Again, the tracks are just recently put on. They're brand new. This tire. Good cab glass all the way around, with sliding windows on the rear and on each side. Go ahead and take you inside the cab. Doors open and close good. The interior is very, very, very nice. Headliner's all intact. It's got a light, sliding window. There's all your controls. Actually, I'll go ahead and I'll fire it up for you here. Next video I'll show you running and driving. You just touch the key and it pops right off. Right now it's running, if you can hear that. It's got low miles, 5,600 miles, and only 900 hours on a 75 horsepower Isuzu Diesel. Here's the throttle. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can just feel the power behind this motor. Here's how you control it. I'll just do a little demonstration right now. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and operate it. But to go backwards, you just pull this back. Right now we're going back. The further back you pull it, the faster it goes. And then to go forward, you just push it ahead. Right now we're going forward. And to steer it, it turns on a dime, but you'll have to see that in the next video. It's hard to hold the camera. But you can steer with a pinky. Steers really easy. It's just a nice running machine. Any questions, please call. It'll be located at our lot here if you want to come and view this item. For out-of-state buyers, we'll get you loaded. We got a loading dock here. Any questions, again, please call. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to check out the next videos. Go ahead and show you this side. Again, really, really clean. Hard to find unit. You'll search for years and years to find another one, especially this clean. Show you the paint on it. You can just see that. It just shines. Walk around it one more time quick here.